How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make your Spotify music louder. And when I say louder, I do mean louder than the maximum volume. And what I love about this tutorial is that it's extremely easy. We just have to change one little thing here in the Spotify settings. And to make it even better, this will make your music louder not only here on your smartphone speakers, but also on your AirPods, for example, or any pair of headphones that you may have with you. And of course, any Bluetooth speaker. This is a huge JBL boombox, as you can see, and even on your car stereo sound, for example. So as I said, this will make your Spotify music louder anywhere. This is absolutely incredible. Let's begin. So all you have to do, as I said, is tap here on the settings on the little gear icon, and then you're gonna tap on playback, as you guys can see. As you tap on playback, all you have to do is scroll down a little bit until you see Equalizer. So tap on Equalizer, and here is where the magic happens. By default, the Equalizer will look like this, like halfway, as you guys can see, not all the way up, and then it'll be all leveled, as you can see right here. Maybe if you use some equalization, it could look like this or like that, whatever. But as I said, by default, it looks like this. And the trick here is to boost everything all the way up. So all you have to do is bring everything all the way up, all the frequencies all the way up, the lows, the mids, and the highs all the way up. And when you do this, music on the Spotify app will sound extremely louder. It will be, in fact, so much louder than the usual, and you will not lose quality. This will just make it extremely louder, as I said, on any output device you may be using. Unfortunately, I can't just go ahead and play a song and show you before and after just because of YouTube copyright issues. So then if I do that, I'll lose the video. It's a mess. But trust me, do this, hit play. You can do it right now and hit the comment box down below and tell me what you thought about this, if you felt a difference, and I can guarantee you that this will make it at least 25% louder or more. It's absolutely insane, the before and after. And if for some reason you don't like it, no problem. All you have to do is tap on any equalization and then tap on it again, and then it'll be back to normal, the default equalization on Spotify, if for some reason you want to go back. All right, but test it out and let me know, and I can guarantee you this will make your music so much louder on Spotify. So that's it. I'm super excited to see your feedback. I'm sure you're gonna love this. I'm sure you're gonna use it because I'm using it right now. All right, so that's it. If you like the video, please make sure to hit the like button down below and the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So stay tuned to Then About Tech, and I'll see you in the next couple days as usual. Bye-bye.